Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on Raid Shadow Legends. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Raid Shadow Legends game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, from which you can immediately start playing. If you wish to log out from your account, click on your account icon at the top left corner. You will now be taken into the settings page, from which underneath profile you will see the switch account as well as logout option at the right side. You can simply tap on this logout button and now you will be logged out from whichever ID you were logged in previously within your game. If you wish to log back in, you can tap on the login button and proceed forward with either using your Plarium ID or your Facebook. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Raid Shadow Legends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.